Hey everybody, this is Dark Guardsman, and we're back with another progress update on ICBM here. So I've gone ahead and I've got basically every item now set up in at least running in a functional way. There's a few things like texture bugs still have to work out, and of course the 3D models are not there for the missiles yet, but I can confirm the missiles are at least working. At least I can do that with the rocket launcher. Now still working on the 3D model for the rocket launcher. I've got it loaded in the game, I've got it running, but the format and system is no longer the same. We used to do this via code. Now you do this all via JSON data, and you got to sit here and like manually tweak the rotation values and translations, and then restart the game, and then rinse and repeat until you get something that's just about right. Now I've at least got the scale correct, but the position is of course off. I gotta go through and do that, but I can sit here and fire the rocket, and it actually will explode. Let me go ahead and set it to day, since I don't know why it's nighttime. So we can actually sit here and fire this and blow up blocks, and this is being done with just a conventional missile, and I'm pretty sure if we try a couple of these other ones, they'll work just fine as well. So if we do the animal missile, it'll function. Now, of course, the render is not there for the missile. I have to go actually in there and work on those and set those back up, and there's a lot of work still left there to do. But functionally, it's here. So we can sit here and have a little bit of fun and fire missiles off and at least do something. Bomb carts are also here. I did discover that there wasn't custom textures for this. I don't know if I've never noticed this before, but apparently there's none here. But they do work. So if we actually sit here and take, say for example, a shrapnel cart, and we launch it off this rail here, and I think I have to repair the rail. It looks like it's been absolutely wrecked through testing. So if we get like an activator rail here and some redstone, we can launch bomb carts. And I'm thinking about possibly enabling all of the bomb types for the carts. Previously, this was only done for certain tiers to prevent you from pretty much nuking yourself. But yeah, you can see as that does work, and this goes all the way up to thermobolic. So you can get like basically a micro nuke is the highest you can get right now. But I'm thinking about enabling all the other ones and just kind of tweaking them so they're usable. Because right now, that one barely has enough time to get to the ground before it goes off. So if you imagine you were trying to set up like a rail cannon or system or something, and you were trying to fire an actual nuke or antimatter, you'd more than likely blow yourself up. So we'll see about adding timers to those eventually. Grenades work. I'm pretty sure I did this in another video showing off that the grenades actually did work. I'll do it again just for sanity reasons. So they actually can be thrown and they'll go off and blow up and do all the fun things. A lot of the other renders work just fine. And of course things like antidote do work. I have not tested any of the actual functional items because of course we can't test these without actually having the tiles to go with them. But at least they render properly, with the exception of the laser designator. For whatever reason decided it didn't like its texture, and I'm still working on it. Another big change though with this is I did split saltpeter and sulfur out into individual items. This is being done because in the 113 update I'm going to have to do this anyways, so I went ahead and bit the bullet and went ahead and split them out. Poison powder for some reason was already by itself. And that's about it for the update here. So hopefully here in a few days we'll have the tiles done. I'm hoping to get the missiles done sometime either tonight or tomorrow, depending on how bad my classes screw me over on time I have, and to get the rocket launcher done. And I might do an alpha release once the rocket launcher is done, just so you guys can run around and just shoot to your heart's content and just sit here and just fire missiles off until you run out of boredom or whatever. But I'll see you guys later.